after he was directly
Akala ko ba wala nang susuporta sa mga Duterte? So tara, samahan niyo ako mag-live sa Facebook
President
page.
Marcos has refused to take a drug test to remove all doubts. His
So ano yan?
subalterns, meanwhile, resort to diversionary issues which only increase suspicions of his links and involvement. All the while, President Marcos has heightened tensions with China,
So paano yan? Quezon City nila, niyanig na.
kowtowing to the United States. He and his officials continue to provoke the regional superpower, unmindful of the danger it poses. President Marcos placed his own backyard at risk by allowing the installations of
Sa lahat ng mga gustong pumunta na sa SB Park lang po ito sa Batasan Hills.
in Ilocos Norte. Whatever doubts there were about his ability to think logically were erased with his ultimate act of